Hey guys, it's Marcus here from Coin Collector. Finally, after quite some time, a little update on the Digitex mainnet and on the recent Bitcoin moves. Um, we're trading live on the mainnet now for, I think, should be about 2 months now already, and it's working better and better every day. More and more people are getting onboarded every week. I think the last batch was around 200, I think. Next week it's going to be, this Thursday is probably going to be even more people. And for all of you who do not know what Digitex is, it's the first zero fee futures exchange there is out there. That means you can trade here on this exchange, you can leverage trade Bitcoin, and for absolutely zero fees, which is absolutely unheard of in the industry. And there will be more pairs added. Over the next months, we will have forex pairs, commodities, all sorts of things. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm trading on the mainnet for, like, since it opened for the first batch of people. We expect the full launch to be in, I guess, I don't know, a few weeks, I guess a month or so. And this is when all people can on board. Right now, you have to go through a waitlist to be onboarded. So, and this is just a scalper's paradise, you could say, because you can get in and out of trades within seconds. And the thing that's is most important for me is to get out of trades without any fees, because this is what I do on a daily basis so many times, and this is what killed me on all the other exchanges. I could never trade this style because like I mentioned, you have a trading idea and it doesn't work out the way you want to, and now you want to exit your trade and you don't want to pay any commissions, which you usually do. So here I can scratch my trades super easily with this ladder and without any fees. And this is just amazing. So last night I was expecting this drop here, and I was trading this whole this whole correction phase, and I anticipated that we're gonna have a stronger drop over here because I was drawing this falling wedge over here, and it played out very nice. And what I use for trading the most time, I know many people are using Bookmap for their trading. Many people are using Trading Light. What I prefer for my trading is a platform called Trader, TRDR. And what this platform does very good, it shows you where order book imbalances are, like where are the most buy and where are the most sell orders, and it shows you with this very nice overlay over here. So you see this whole range here yesterday was a scalper's paradise for myself, because I was just waiting to see these spikes in sell orders. Like you can see it here when you have this super, I call them clouds, yeah, like when you have this super red clouds over here, you know, okay, now sellers are really getting into the market and I'm gonna expect a push down. So I was shorting this cloud over here. I was shorting this cloud over here for a couple of ticks. I was shorting this one for a few ticks. This one, you get the idea. And also we saw then this strong bounce here, which I longed and shorted. I longed it because, let me get this up a little bit, my computer is a little bit slow today. I longed it because I saw this little blue cloud on this drop here, so I was longing down here, and at the time I thought we might have bottomed here and we're gonna move up now. But then I saw this heavy red cloud over here, which showed me, okay, this was a fake out, or this bounce was not real, and there's gonna be a stronger sell-off coming. This is why I was selling this red cloud up here again all the way down, because this also fit my narrative with the falling wedge, and this just played out perfectly. And this morning I did the same thing again. I was watching what's going to happen with the buy orders, and exactly where I anticipated the buy orders would come in. This would be on the lower part of this wedge over here, around 8,900 to 8,000, yeah, 8,900 to 9,000 area. This is also exactly where you can see this huge green cloud here on buy orders coming in, and that's where we got our first bounce here. So how I use this tool is, you have your order book dev over here, and you have the different exchanges, and you can always see the ratio here in terms of bids and asks. And what I always look out for, to always trade with the trend. And here, for instance, in the first line, you have the Binance spot price. And when all these things are green, and the higher these numbers are, the longer the higher the buy ratio is. So what I do like for scalping is I want to see, for instance, let's say I want to do a long scalp, then I want to see this first number here, I want to see it in the 50s, yeah, let's say in the 50s, and this is when you can do a scalp trade for a couple of ticks. What you want to do for trading here with TRDR is always, or with Trader, is that you always follow, or that you always trade with these first three on the Binance spot. This works the best for me usually. So, and this, yeah, this is how I do my daily profits on the Digitex Futures Exchange, because I mean, you see all these scalping opportunities that this tool gave you here all the time, and I'm using it for now, I think about a month and a half already, and I love it. I cannot imagine trading without it anymore. So this gives you, like, it gives you a big, yeah, it gives me personally a lot of confluence with my other trading, with my other technical analysis that I'm doing. So what I'm looking right now for the next couple of hours and days, I hope that, of course, that this falling wedge is going to play out, and then I'm going to look for something like this. So I think we are going to see one more drop coming. But I do not think that we're gonna put in another low. If we put in another low, I think the lowest it can go would be like 8,800, but this is already quite a stretch for me. I personally think we will do a little bit of sideways action now, something like this, and then we're gonna get our breakout. And these falling wedges, we always, or I personally play them like this. I take the, where is it? I take the fib retracement all the way down to the bottom. And what I target for is minimum the 0.5, which would bring us here right in this cluster. And I think we're going to have a lot of selling pressure here in this cluster again. So this would be my first target, definitely. If we can get through this, then yeah, of course, we're going to look at higher targets. But my first target will be this 0.5 area. And I'm going to ladder more longs down here as we go down. And of course, I'm going to look for more scalping opportunities here with Trader as well. So if you are not on the Digitex Futures Exchange, please go to the waitlist and sign up, because this once you trade it here, you will never go back to any other exchange. You can see I have some sell orders sitting here in the ladder up here, because I actually expected the price to come up all the way here to where this drop started. I think we might get there still. So I guess we're gonna go down and then go up again, and I want to short the 9,200 area, and then looking for more downwards pressure in the short term. But then I think we will go up again. And yeah, okay. I will do a more thorough review of this platform, Trader, in I think today or tomorrow, because it has some really great indicators that no other platform will give you. Yeah, and yeah, okay. So I hope you find this helpful, and I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.